What's up, ladies and gents? Hope you guys had a fun day at the stock market today. I had a blast. Um, okay, big news. Three big news for Tesla. Three big things that's about to happen to Tesla. Okay, number one, 5-to-1 stock split is coming up. Okay, we're gonna talk about the 5-to-1 split. Number two, the battery day is coming up. This is where Tesla is gonna unveil the new battery, the one that goes 600 miles, and it can be driven to 1 million miles, up to 1 million miles. So that's another big unveiling that's coming up. And the third news is the S&P 500, right? Tesla is probably gonna get into the S&P 500 in about a month. Okay, so let's talk about the 5-to-1 split. What does that mean? What does that mean? What do I do? Is this a big opportunity? Is it a big opportunity for me? Am I buying Tesla before the split? Am I buying it after the split? These are all great questions. So I'll talk about myself for a minute. I'm buying Tesla before, and I'm gonna be buying Tesla after the split. That's for sure. Because I love Tesla. I support Tesla. I have a lot of their stocks already. I drive their cars, and I think it's about to disrupt the world. It's gonna push us to a level where none of us are gonna be burdened by having a car. Sometime in the near future, all of us will just press that button, just like Uber. Tesla will come and pick us up and take us to wherever we want to go. I know that's coming, and that's a big one. That's when a company comes over and just changes the way people live. That's a big deal, guys. That's a big deal. That's why most analysts will tell you Tesla is not just a car company. It is basically something that's going to change Imagine not having a car, not washing it, not servicing it, not having car insurance, not having everything that goes along with having a car. Having that thing park in front of your driveway for 23 hours a day. Who wants that? We want more space. We don't want to own something. And those of you that like driving, of course you can have your own car. But Tesla is about to disrupt the way people live. And I think what does that what does that mean? Your car is the second most expensive item that you have. It costs anywhere from 6,000 to 15,000 a month with gasoline and servicing to maintain. Imagine not paying for that, or paying 10% of that, right? So Tesla is about to, in the near future, lower your transportation cost from 90 cents a mile to about 10 cents a mile. Wow, can you believe that? I mean, imagine that. That's coming, guys. That's coming. So that means, hey, you don't have to work as hard. You don't have to, or maybe you can just work just as hard, but you could travel more. You could do more fun things. You can spend more time with your family. So that's why I love Tesla. I want this thing disrupted. I don't want to walk on small sidewalks. I want bigger sidewalks. And I know when people stop buying cars, we're gonna have a lot of extra space. We're gonna have hopefully bigger sidewalks. We're gonna have bigger bike lanes. We're gonna have more parks, because 1/3 of real estate is basically for cars, for parking cars. Imagine having 1/3 more real estate, right? What would you do with your garage? You don't have to park a car there anymore. What would you do with it? Maybe more living space for you, maybe the in-laws, I don't know. Whatever it is, it's going to change your life. So that's why I love Tesla. Moving up to the 5-to-1 split, it just basically means instead of paying $1,500 per stock, you're going to be paying about $300 per stock, right? $300. What does that do? Well, there's still some brokerage companies just like TD Ameritrade that doesn't offer fractional ownership. It just means people can afford to buy Tesla now. A lot more, millennials, a lot more younger people are going to be, buying these cars, and they want to invest in it. So some people don't have $1,500 for one stock. Now they'll be able to afford that car at $300. So that's the big news. The second big news after that is, like I told you earlier, in about a month, Tesla is gonna reveal the new battery. Oh my God, that's a game changer. They're gonna tell you Tesla has no problem, getting customers. The only problem is filling these orders, right? Everybody wants a Tesla, but Tesla, they can only give you so many cars because the battery production is so cumbersome and expensive. So in about a month, they're gonna tell us what they've changed and how they're gonna be able to produce more cars. So that's a big one that's coming in about a month. And the S&P 500. This is a big deal, guys. This is a big deal. Why is it a big deal? Because there's trillions of dollars that ETFs and ETFs and some other people that invest in the S&P 500. There's trillions of dollars on the sidelines. If and when Tesla gets into the S&P 500, there's going to be trillions of dollars of coming, and Tesla is going to get a share of that. There's going to be more people owning Tesla. What do you think that'll do to the stock? Do you think it'll be less volatile if ETFs start investing into the S&P 500? There's going to be trillions of dollars in that S&P 500. So it'll probably be a lot less volatile. I think the price will go up. I expect the price of Tesla to be anywhere from $5,000 to $10,000 per share. That's, before the split, of course, in the next five years. So that's my prediction. But listen, do your own due diligence. Don't listen to anybody. I'm not a professional financial advisor. This is just what I do with my life. Do your own due diligence and shine. Okay, like and subscribe if you don't currently do that. Have a great day. Ciao.